What's going on, guys? So welcome back to Jack's Kicks. I have a very cool video for you guys today. This is a new setup for now. Major things are going to be changing as I get more lighting and stuff. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow my main channel, Jack's Gaming. If you guys are interested in anything in gaming, I post all the newest games and stuff, so make sure you guys go ahead and follow that channel. But today we are going to be doing an unboxing of two highly requested items. That's gonna be my next video, but the next video will be one of the unboxings that I'm gonna do later on. But today we have a recent Supreme drop that released, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing of it, and it's of the Catwoman hoodie and the Dickies beanie as well. So this is gonna be pretty cool. So let's just check out everything that's inside. All right, so off rip, let's just open up this first. We have our Dickies hoodie, as you guys, beanie, I should say, right here, as you guys can see here. I really like this colorway a lot, so I was just like, oh, I might as well just buy it. I might buy it. And this thing did sell out, so luckily I did cop it. So we'll try that on in just a second. And let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah, we have an extra large for the Catwoman hoodie, which is really cool. So let's open that up as well and check it out. Now I wanted the gray one, so I got the gray one. And every colorway sold out. I think the last one to sell out was the red one. But the reason why I went for the gray one was because I have a bunch of Supreme hoodies, and I don't have a gray one. So I wanted to get a gray Supreme hoodie, and also yellow is my favorite color. I love yellow and gold. So to have that yellow hint on the Catwoman hoodie was a must-have for me. So I had to do this. As you guys can see here, right there. Looks really cool. I'm going to try it on and stuff in a sec. And here's the front. So you guys can see the Supreme little box logo right there too. Looks really cool. Feels really good too. Wow. Insides look really cool. So yeah, we'll check that out in just a second. I also want to check out the beanie. But there's the back right there. This looks really nice. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and check out this beanie real quick. Oh, wow. The materials feel really nice. It has like, I don't know how to explain it. It has a unique material on it, though. It feels like it could be itchy, but the inside doesn't. The inside feels absolutely soft, but the outside feels like it can most definitely be itchy. But let me just show you guys what it looks like with both sides. Obviously, you can have it any sort of way. You can have it all the way down or like this and stuff like that. Just to show you guys what it looks like off rip and stuff. Here's the other side, as you guys can see here too. And yeah, I'm going to be getting better lighting as well, guys. So let me just go close up so you guys can really see everything. Right there. There you go. So you guys can see that. And here's this side as well. As you guys can see there. Really cool. Alright, so here is the hoodie. Here's the front part of the hoodie, as you guys can see here. Back as well. Looks really cool. I really like this hoodie a lot. I think this is really cool. And here it is with the hood on as well, as you guys can see. So, overall, I like the way it looks, man. It feels. It's super soft. There's the back as well, as you guys can see there. Obviously, I don't think I would wear the beanie with this, but you probably could, honestly. Who knows? Really cool. I really like the way this looks. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this. Subscribe to the channel for more unboxings for Supreme items and different shoes and stuff. All that stuff will be dropping here. And make sure you guys subscribe to my main channel, Jack's Gaming. Alright? So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Sign out. Peace.